Good morning, guys. How are you today? Today's lesson is problem solving about liquid volume and mass. Lesson number 10.9, page 441. A restaurant served iced tea from a large container that can hold 24 liters. Sadie will fill the container with the pitcher of tea sown below. Okay, have tea sown below and it will fill the container. Will Sadie have tea left over after filling the container? Okay, I have how many? Tea sown below. Okay guys, I make it bigger for you to see exactly the amount of tea in each cup. I have here 7, 7, 7, and 7. So I have, let's make it smaller again. So I'm gonna write 7, 7, 7, 7. Let's read the story problem again. Can, okay. A restaurant serves iced tea from a large container that can hold 24 liters. I have a large container. Let's actually draw it here. Large one can hold 24 liters. Sadie will fill the container with the pitchers of tea shown below. Okay, and I have in each one, I have 7. 7 liters. Will Sadie have tea left over after filling the container? Let's see, guys. I have 4 um, cups. Each one has 7 liters. So let's find the total that I have. I have 7 times 4. 7 times 4 equals 28. Oh, and I need only what? I need only 24. So I will have leftovers? Yes, he will have leftover. Will Sadie have tea leftover? Yes, he will. Now circle the correct word to complete the sentence. What liters is greater than less than 24 liters? Okay, I have 28 liters in total. It's greater than or less than 24 is greater than. So Sadie will not have tea left over. He will have tea left over. Now the second one. Raoul fish tank contains 32 liters of water. He empties it with a bucket that holds 4 liters of water. Okay, do you know what is the meaning of bucket? It's like a small cup. Actually, we carry water in it to remove it or to throw it in another way. Yeah, it's like a cup. Okay, how many times will Raoul have to fill the bucket? Okay, I have a tank and I have a bucket. It has to take water from here and empty it. He wants to empty the cup, the tank. The tank is 32 liter and cup can hold only 4 liters. So I will use it how many times? I will divide 32 divided 4. 32 divided 4 equals 8. Why I divided? To know I'm gonna use the bucket how many times. I'm gonna use it 4 times to empty all the 32 liters. So Raul will have to fill the bucket 8 times. Okay guys, we will move on to the next page. A bag of peas has a mass of 432 grams. A bag of carrot has a mass of 263 grams. What is the total mass of both bags? Okay, peas is 432 and carrots is 263. He wants to find the total, so I will do what, guys? I'm gonna add. So 432 plus 263. So let's do it here in a draft. I always start with ones. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Guys, it's a plus, not multiply. 3 plus 6 equals 9, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. So my answer is 695. So both bags have a total mass of 695, and I'm gonna complete it here also 695. Now number 1 here, share and show. Its delivery service delivered 3 packages to Mr. Wilson. Miss Wilson. The packages have masses of 9 kilograms, 12 kilograms, and 5 kilograms. What is the total mass of the 3 packages? It's too easy, guys. So I have 9, and I have 12, and I have 5. Okay, I need you to try to solve it, then check your answer. He wants the total, so I'm gonna say 9 plus 12 plus 5 equals, if I did it here, I'm gonna say 12, 9, 5. Okay, 2 plus 9 equals 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 6 and carry up 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So it's 26 kilogram. Okay, and I'm gonna write here 26. Okay guys, we will move on to the next page. Today's lesson is super easy. Number 2, Ariel's recipe calls for 64 grams of apples and 86 grams of oranges. How many more? How many more means minus. How many more grams of oranges than apples does the recipe calls for? Minus. So in minus, guys, I will put the big number or the small number first. Big number. So I'm gonna say 86 minus 64. So I'm gonna solve it here in a draft. Always do your plus and minus in a draft. Okay, I will start with 1, 6 minus 4 equals 2, and 8 minus 6 equals 2. So my answer is 22. 22 what? Grams. My unit is gram, so I'm gonna say grams. Now, number 3, Dan's Clams restaurant sold 45 liters of lemonade. If it sold the same, guys, the same amount each hour for 9 hours, how many liters of lemonade did Dane's Clams sell each hour? Okay, guys, I have 45 liters for 9 hours. And I need to know how many liters in just 1 hour. So I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna divide. I'm gonna say 45 divided 9. Guys, remember that for in division and subtraction, I have to start with the big number. Now, 45 divided 9. Who can tell me the answer? Okay, do you remember the division for table 9, the trick that we know? I'm gonna look at the tens. The tens is 4. After number 4 comes 5. So my answer is 5. 5 what? Yes, 5 liters. I'm dividing the 45. I'm not dividing the 9. I'm dividing 45 among 9 hours. So I'm gonna use the unit for 45. It's liters.